we doing today?
Well, working on the gas tank. We're gonna try something. One of the YouTube videos I watch is called Diesel Creek. And I think Matt's the guy's name there, and he's pretty sharp. And I saw him strap a fuel tank to a tractor tire and drive around, and he put chains inside of it. Now this tank, I've tried to clean this thing. I've had probably 5 gallons of fuel through it, and I cannot get the dirt to stop coming out, and it's just full of trash, and I think there was water in it at one time. And it's just the nastiest tank I've ever seen on the inside. And if it was easy to get a new tank, we'd put a new tank on there. And it's not so easy on this thing. So we're gonna try cleaning it out. I'm gonna strap it to my tractor tire and fill it up with chain, and we're gonna spin it around like Diesel Creek and see if it works. And I think it will.
So how did it go, Pa?
It went great. It really worked good. As you can see, we spun it around and around and around, and the inside is really, really clean. There's some spots where the chains didn't drag, but I think we found out we got a couple leaks in it. Bobby washed it out with fuel inside. I think you'll see in the video we were blowing air through it, and the dirt and rust and stuff that came out of here was just unbelievable. We got a couple of small pinhole leaks. I'm gonna epoxy those up, and other than that, we're gonna put it in. Meantime, we're gonna try to find a new tank, but she's ready to go in, and then we can get it running and see what other problems we've got.
Yay!
So after all that, we ended up buying a brand new tank. So we got this one from classicparts.com. And it's for a 67 to 72 Blazer, but all the places are where they should be, so we're going to try and fit it and see how it goes.